So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change currency on eBay. So the first thing you should do is go to ebay.com, obviously, then log into your account and you will see here hi and then your first and last name. You can see your account settings and you can sign out even through there. But if I were to scroll down, I will see that everything is listed in US dollars. On here, if I scroll down all the way down, I can see here it says eBay sites. Now to change currency, you will need to change the site that you're looking on. So this is the US version of the site, so everything is going to be in dollars. If I wish to change to, let's say, pounds, I will go to the UK version. So if I click on ebay.co.uk, if I scroll down, I will see now these watches are in pounds. You can see it on here and you can see it on some other items as well. If I wish to change that, I can go and find euros maybe through the Germany website. And on there, you can see it's in euros or EUR. So that's about how you can change. You can even see it on here too, goes back to the original site or ebay.com. You're gonna see very similar site, but it's gonna be again in US dollars. So that's about it. That's how you can change it. You will just need to change the version of the site that you're looking at through this bottom right corner screen. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.